Hey guys, how are you doing today? I hope everything is okay. You have learned 13 lessons so far, and this is around 400 words. From now on, there will be 50 words in each lesson. So 600 words to go. Let's get started. Within. It should be finished within half an hour. During. We will help him during our holiday. Go on. Continue. You can continue reading. Go on. Clothes. She spends a lot of money on clothes. Wear. And the verb wear, wore, worn. What did she wear to the party last night? Enough. They don't pay me enough for it. Country. There are many beautiful cities in this country. Ticket. How many tickets should I buy? Month. I call my brother every month. Airport. I'll meet you at the airport. Station. Can you pick me up at the station? Pick. Pick up. Pick somebody up. Who's gonna pick me up? Give somebody a ride. Drive somebody somewhere. I'll drive you to school. Lift. Lift up. Elevator. Sorry, the elevator is out of order. Still. Are you still in there? World. The world is changing so fast. Even. I didn't even see him. State. She stated it in the project. Become, became, become. She became a good teacher. High, low. My sons are in high school. Strong, weak. Stay strong. Clean, clean up. You should Clean your room. Address. Address somebody. Can you tell me your address? Please address me, Mrs. Jones. Please call me Mrs. Jones. Face. Face something. Let's face it. Tired. I felt very tired. Happen. What happened? What is happening? Matter. What's the matter? Suggest. I suggest leaving. I suggest that we leave. Block. Somebody blocked my parking place. Relax, relaxing. I'd like to relax now. Above, below, or under. The boxes were under the table. Bed and breakfast. We booked bed and breakfast. Keep, kept, kept. She keeps eating. Front, back, or rear. They put everything in the back of the car. Bread. I usually have bread for breakfast. Butter. My son doesn't eat butter. Win, won, won. Who won? Jam. Traffic jam. I'm sorry I'm late, but there was a traffic jam. Honey. Do you want honey in your tea? Fruit. I highly recommend this fruit salad. Vegetable. Can I have a vegetable salad? Salad. Just salad will be enough for me. Serve. Service. I'm sorry, this service is not included. Main. His main problem is his work. Course. Of course. He will take this English course. Side dish. Side. Side order. I don't know which side order is the best. Holiday. Vacation. Where are you going on vacation? While. I can do it while you wait. Money. Money is not good for her. Change. Please, can you change it? Do you have change? I need a change. And a few phrases to learn. Nothing else matters. What happened? What is happening? What's up? What's going on? Come in. Come on in. Long time no see. What's the matter? What's the matter with you? What's wrong with you? Come on. It's my bread and butter. Of course.